Nature Park 2. And you can see like a little, but there's an old stick that's in the path. We can't put that there, can't we? Outside now, and we definitely can't go that way because that poor old tree fell down. We definitely can't go that way because that poor tree fell down, can't we? And let's keep moving. Let him have a little rest, and that's his anything.
Looks like it's blown down in the wind, doesn't it? Can you go and explain what's happened?
Oh, okay.
Come on then. Tell me what happened to this big tree.
You see right here? This is where all the things were in the olden days. All the things.
The roots of the tree, isn't it?
And all the things look beautiful. But then the tree disappeared, and then it came to broken. And
There's a big wind that blew that, I think, don't you?
And then the tree and all of these things came off.
Yeah.
And look, this tree, no branches.
Oh yeah.
Been cotton and here's the limestone. You guys, if you go in that forest, really spooky. But this forest is wonderful. Don't be afraid. Everyone's going to be fine. Where's my sweeties? Where's the big sweetie? I can't forget.
What's down there then?
There's a really good tree.
More snacks. Do you always bring snacks on a trail?
Where's my big one, Daddy?
I don't know.
Oh, I've got it. I can't really feel it because it's super small. You know.
Okay. Let's carry on then.
And can you stop here because I still take my boot off because I really need to get something out of there. Something pushing it down. It's okay. I don't feel it really right now.
Oh, it's snack time again, I see. All this walking. Yeah.
So guys, if you go on a nature walk, please be bringing snacks. The snacks are beautiful. But those are the same people.
And it gives you lots of energy, doesn't it?
Yeah, now the people still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Daddy, those are the same people we just saw.
yeah.
Yeah, they went to different
They're
paths.
on a nature trail, aren't they?
Yeah, like us.
Yeah. So as we come to the end of the nature trail,
And
back to the car park.
not allowed to go here, so we better need to go a different way. So
what's this? Is this?
a broken map. This is where all the animals were. And the owl, the bird, the fox. What's this that I can't see?
It's a moorhen.
A moorhen.
On the river.
Everything like that.
Yeah. So, did you enjoy your nature walk?
Yep.
Would you recommend it to all your friends?
Yep.
Yeah.
And I'm definitely not allowed to
What
go
would you
there.
say? What would you say to your friends?
I had a good nature walk with my daddy all day and morning because me and my daddy worked as a team and made a video with myself, your friend called me, Zebra,
And
Daddy.
don't forget to
Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to channel.
Sorry, what did you say?
Subscribe to channels.
Subscribe to your channel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Is that it then?
Yep. Bye.